Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are excited to bring you the top 11 must-have Amazon kitchen gadgets for effortless culinary magic. We cover topics about Amazon products and gadgets on a regular basis on our channel. Make sure you subscribe so you won't miss any updates from us. 1. Sandwich Maker. Elevate your mornings with the Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker. Indulge in the convenience of crafting your own mouth-watering breakfast sandwiches in just minutes. This innovative appliance lets you stack layers of goodness, from crispy bacon and fluffy eggs to melted cheese, all nestled between toasted English muffins. Its compact design fits snugly in any kitchen, saving counter space. With easy-to-clean parts, you'll breeze through cleanup. Whether you're rushing out the door or savoring a leisurely brunch, this sandwich maker adds a delicious touch to your routine. Fuel your day effortlessly with the Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker. Fluffy eggs to melted cheese, all nestled between toasted English muffins. Its compact design fits snugly in any kitchen, saving counter space. With easy-to-clean parts, you'll breeze through cleanup. Whether you're rushing out the door or savoring a leisurely brunch, this sandwich maker adds a delicious touch to your routine. Fuel your day effortlessly with the Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker. This innovative appliance lets you stack layers of goodness, from crispy bacon and fluffy eggs to melted cheese, all nestled between toasted English muffins. Its compact design fits snugly in any kitchen, saving counter space. With easy-to-clean parts. 2. Kitchen Dinnerware Set. Elevate your dining experience with the Gibson Home Kitchen Dinnerware Set. Crafted for both style and durability, this set brings a touch of elegance to your table. With 16 essential pieces, including dinner plates, salad plates, bowls, and mugs, it's perfect for daily meals and special occasions. The timeless design effortlessly complements any decor, while the sturdy stoneware construction ensures long-lasting use. Microwave and dishwasher safe, these pieces offer convenient heating and effortless cleanup. Embrace the combination of functionality and aesthetics, making every meal a delightful experience. Upgrade your dining collection with the Gibson Home Kitchen Dinnerware Set and set the stage for memorable moments. Number 3. Coupe Dinnerware Set. Elevate your table setting with the 10 Strawberry Street Dinnerware Set in charcoal, exuding contemporary elegance. This 16-piece set adds a chic touch to any meal. The deep charcoal hue complements various styles, while the durable porcelain construction ensures long-lasting quality. This set includes dinner plates, salad dessert plates, bowls, and mugs, making it perfect for daily use or special gatherings. With a microwave-safe and dishwasher-safe design, it effortlessly combines convenience and sophistication. Upgrade your dining experience with the 10 Strawberry Street Dinnerware Set and bring a modern flair to your culinary moments. 4. Plastic Lid Storage for Kitchen Cabinet. Tired of searching for matching container lids? Streamline your kitchen with the Utopia Store-A-Lid Container Organizer. This ingenious organizer keeps your food storage lids neatly arranged and easily accessible. With adjustable dividers, it accommodates various lid sizes, from plastic to glass containers. The compact design fits in most cabinets, saving you space and reducing clutter. Its sturdy construction ensures durability, while the non-slip feet keep it securely in place. No more lid chaos. Enjoy a tidy kitchen and effortless meal prep. Simplify your storage woes with the Utopia Store-A-Lid Container Organizer and experience kitchen organization at its finest. 5. Rice Cooker Steamer. Elevate your cooking experience with the DRCM 200GB PK04 Rice Cooker and Steamer. Its removable non-stick cooking pot ensures hassle-free meal prep and easy cleanup. This versatile appliance effortlessly switches between cooking fluffy rice and creating healthy, steam-cooked dishes. From aromatic rice to nutrient-packed veggies, it's a one-stop solution. Compact and stylish, it fits seamlessly into any kitchen. The one-touch operation and automatic keep warm function simplify your busy lifestyle. With included accessories, you're equipped to cook with creativity. Unlock the potential of convenience and deliciousness with the DRCM 200GB PK04 Rice Cooker and Steamer. Your path to effortless culinary mastery. 6. 6-piece Non-Stick. Elevate your baking game with the Amazon Basics 6-piece Non-Stick Bakeware Set. Crafted for exceptional performance, this set includes essential baking pans to create a variety of treats. The non-stick coating ensures easy food release and quick cleanup, while the durable construction guarantees even heating for consistent results. Whether you're baking cookies, cakes, or roasting veggies, this set has you covered. With a sleek design and reliable quality, It's perfect for both beginners and seasoned bakers. Upgrade your kitchen with the Amazon Basics 6-piece non-stick bakeware set and enjoy endless baking possibilities. 7. Smart Mixing Bowl Set. Experience kitchen convenience with the Pyrex tempered glass mixing bowl. This 1.5-quart bowl combines versatility and durability, perfect for mixing, baking, and serving. Crafted from high-quality tempered glass, it's safe for microwave, oven, freezer, and dishwasher use. The clear design allows you to monitor your creations while they cook or chill. Whether you're whipping up a batch of cookie dough or preparing a salad, this mixing bowl is your reliable kitchen companion. Upgrade your culinary toolkit with the Pyrex tempered glass mixing bowl and enjoy a seamless blend of functionality and style for your cooking endeavors. 8. Vegetable Chopper. Revolutionize your meal prep with the vegetable chopper, spiralizer, and slicer. This all-in-one kitchen tool transforms vegetables into culinary masterpieces. Effortlessly chop, spiralize, and slice a variety of veggies for salads, stir-fries, and more. The versatile design offers multiple cutting options, while the sharp stainless steel blades ensure precision and efficiency. With a sturdy construction and easy-to-use mechanism, it's a game changer in the kitchen. The compact size and easy cleanup make it a must-have for busy cooks. Elevate your cooking creativity with the vegetable chopper, spiralizer, and slicer, simplifying. 9. Dish Drainer. Upgrade your kitchen with the OXO Good Grips rust-proof aluminum dish drainer. Designed for efficiency and durability, this dish drainer offers ample space for drying dishes, utensils, and more. The rust-proof aluminum construction ensures longevity, while the unique rib design optimizes airflow for quick drying. The removable utensil holder adds convenience, and the non-slip feet keep the drainer stable on your countertop. Its sleek design complements any kitchen decor, making organization effortless. Elevate your dish drying experience with the OXO Good Grips rust-proof aluminum dish drainer, a blend of style and functionality that keeps your kitchen tidy and dishes sparkling. 10. Trash Can. Discover convenience and style with the Rubbermaid Step Trash Can in charcoal metal. Designed for modern living, this trash can boasts a hands-free step mechanism that ensures hygienic waste disposal. The sleek charcoal metal finish seamlessly complements any room. With a generous capacity and a removable liner for easy cleaning, it's the perfect balance of functionality and aesthetics. The durable construction and smooth step operation make it a reliable addition to your space. Elevate your waste management with the Rubbermaid Step Trash Can, a blend of innovation and elegance that enhances your environment while maintaining cleanliness effortlessly. 11. Strainer Washing. Elevate your kitchen with the OXO Quinoa and Grains Washing Colander. Crafted for convenience, this colander is tailored to efficiently rinse quinoa, grains, and more. The fine, durable mesh ensures thorough washing while preventing tiny grains from escaping. The non-slip handles provide a secure grip even when wet, and the raised bottom keeps contents elevated for optimal drainage. This colander is also perfect for washing fruits, veggies, and small pasta. Easy to clean and compact for storage, it's an essential tool for any kitchen. Simplify your food preparation with the OXO Quinoa and Grains Washing Colander, ensuring your grains are clean and your cooking experiences are seamless. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you found the products showcased in this video helpful and exciting. All product purchase links are in the description and comment box.